Binoculars are the BX-5 Santiam. These are 10x42s. I'm not really a fan of 10 power binoculars. I always prefer 8s. You just get better light gathering, bigger field of view. But having said that, I was very surprised by the optical quality of these. Again, for price point, they would compare to European glass at twice the price. They're lovely and small, lovely and lightweight. I really found no issue with them at all today, even in half light. I didn't feel like I was missing my more expensive European binoculars at all. Didn't feel like they were any disadvantage. Paired them with the Leupold rangefinder. It's simple, it does exactly what it says on the tin. It works perfectly every time. I spent years using separate rangefinder and binoculars. It's only been the last couple of years that I've had the funds to have one that's incorporated into the binoculars, but again, it's really no disadvantage to have them separate, and it just makes for a nice lightweight package. If you're doing a lot of walking, if you're on the hill, these small binoculars tuck into your jacket real easy. Rangefinder's in your pocket for when you need it, and yeah, it's just, to be honest, it's sort of going back to basics a little bit for me today, and it's been quite nice, and I haven't felt at a disadvantage at all.